Mike here with Miller Marine Products. I'm showing my latest product. This is a Downrigger mount that will fit with my rail system. It will also fit with other manufacturers' rail systems. Just give you a little view of it. It's all the aluminum parts are 6061 T6. They've all been clear anodized. It's all just on there loose. This is pretty much the way you will get it. When it arrives to you, I'll show you how. It's real simple to adjust. So let's go ahead and just put it on. I'm going to set this on here, and then we want this to be pretty level, about like that. And then we want to take these hand knobs here, and we're going to slide this bar up till it's tight. Okay, like that. Then what we want to do is go ahead and tighten these bolts. Then I want to tighten these bolts, so we'll loosen this up a little bit and run these up tight against that middle knob. Okay, then that's going to tighten up. And there it is, it's installed. Okay, now if I want to remove this, once I've tightened the four 1/4-inch bolts, all I have to do then is just remove these. And it lifts right off. So when I want to install it, I set it back on here after I pre-adjusted it like I showed. And then we just take this one and we slide this one in here, back in here till it lines up. Put the hand knobs back on. And that's it. That's installing, uninstalling. The design has it so that it's pushing all of the weight directly down on top of the gunnel, and the rail's basically just kind of holding it in place. Now, these two slots here that are not used, they could be used with one of my rod blocks, or these could go into another manufacturer's rail system. You'd have to use their rod blocks. This spacing is the spacing for the rod holder mounts, so you should be able to just put that right on another manufacturer's, like maybe a Willie Boat or an Aluma-Weld that has that unirail system in it, and utilize those two center slots. That's it for now. Thank you.